everyone, I'm Kate from BSN1F. Welcome to Biochemistry 101. Today, we have an important thing to do. Our teacher asked us to conduct an experiment called lipid test. Come on in! This activity is entitled Looking for Lipid Fat Test. What does it mean? Lipid fat test is a complete cholesterol test, also called a lipid, that can measure the amount of lipids in a substance. In this activity, you will need a brown paper bag, a scissor, a dropper, teaspoon, small container, a marker, a plastic lab apron like this, a disposable gloves, and food samples, such as what I use like margarine, bread, egg, white, perhaps, and milk. So let's dive in. Procedure number 1. Cut the side of a brown paper bag to make a sheet of brown paper. Make 4 varieties of the meals you want to test for lipids. In my case, I use margarine, milk, egg white, and rice. Mix 1/2 teaspoon of ground food with 1 teaspoon of water. Divide the brown paper bag into various sections and write the names of the foods in each section using a permanent marker. Each food solution should have at least 3 drops placed on the paper, each portion. For each test, use a fresh dropper, but I use syringe in my case because I don't have a dropper in my home. Lastly, wait until the liquid has evaporated for a few minutes. Look at each spot while holding the paper up to the light. While the lipid test is done, you can place the brown paper against or back to the light to see its translucent spot and identify the gray spot that will serve as the amount of lipids one substance has. At the end of this activity, we can reassess that most of the foods we intake do have lipids, and lipids has its own vital function in our body. Did you know that according to the Oxford Dictionary, lipids is an organic compounds that are fatty acids or their derivative are insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvent? There are different types of lipids include phospholipids, triglycerides, and sterols. They play a major role in our body, such as providing fuel, source of energy. So that's it. Thank you for joining us in today's episode, and let's be reminded to stay curious. This is Biochemistry 101 with Kate. God bless us all.